Picture yourself in the 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 70,000 miles on the odometer. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, pre-collision system, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, heated mirrors, fog lamps. Comfort blends with versatility in bold, modern style in this striking Santa Fe. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.